Hello students, how are you? Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to read chapter 3 Tenali Rama the second, and today we will learn the summary of this chapter. So I am going to read for you and then I will also explain. Okay, let's start. It was a sunny morning in the city of Vijayanagar. It was a time of morning in a city of Vijayanagar. A tall, dark man in spotless white clothes walked slowly towards the palace of King Krishna Devaraya. One person walked slowly towards the palace of King Krishna Devaraya. And as you know that spotless means very clean and without a spot. It means the dress he wear is very clean. Suddenly he heard young voices. He was curious, so he stopped to listen. Listen here. Suddenly he heard young voices. It means some people are there, some young persons are there, and they are talking each other. And that person, he was curious, so he stopped to listen. Curious means wanting to know something. As you know that every student is curious. As you learn many new things, you always curious. You want to learn new things always. So that person, he heard young voices and he was curious, so he stopped to listen. Okay, 6 small boys were trying to act out a day in the royal court of Vijayanagar. As you know that in a royal court, it means king court, how day-to-day activities done, how kings gives orders, how kings punishes other, how kings launch new laws. So these all activities done in a royal court, so they all are acting like that. They had an old broken bed covered with tattered piece of matting as the throne. uh, Here, act out a day in the royal court, it means to play the roles of people in the royal court and to act like them. So as you know that in a royal court, it means in king court, there are many ministers, many peoples are there who help king to release their kingdom. So it is they all are trying to act like that. And they had old broken bed covered with tattered piece of matting. And as you know that tattered means torn. Okay, so tattered piece of matting, and matting means rough materials used to make mats. Okay, so they are using rough materials as a throne. It means they are imaginary, it is not real. It was not real, it is imaginary, and the materials they are using is made with rough materials. Next, but the boys could not decide who they wanted to play. Many times we play many games but does not decide who will play the role of whose person. So the boys could not decide who they wanted to play. So it's my turn to be Devaraya. You promised well one thing, boy. Then can I be minister? Salvatimba asked another. Many times, if I asked you who want to play the role of king, many students will raise hand. Sir, I want to play. Sir, I want to play. And who want to play the minister? So many students can raise your hand. So here also the students, here one thin boy is there, and he wants to play the role of Krishna Dev Raya. So it's my turn to be Dev Raya. You promised, wield one thin boy. And one person is also asking, then can I be minister? Salwa Timba asks another. So students, also there are difficult word meanings you can learn from here. Today we will only cover page number 22. Tomorrow I will tell you about the summary of page number 23. So thank you.